Welcome back to the Morning Blend. It's frustrating when you can't breathe through your nose, whether it's allergies, daily congestion, snoring, or even worse, sleep apnea. It is our continuing series, Sleep Well, Breathe Well with Advent.
Matt Peters, a nurse practitioner with Advent, joins us now to talk about an event that they have at a brand new location where you can get an assessment for free. Good to have you here, Matt.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, we're opening a new location. So we opened in Oconomowoc in 2018. It was our third location, but it was really small. Anyone that's been there knows we were begging for room, and now we finally have a built-out, ready to go big spot with all the things that we need to take care of the patients from start to finish.
It really is. And I know you guys are offering a complimentary assessment, and that's why there's a QR code in the corner there. For people who haven't used one before, you just hold your camera up to it. You don't have to take a picture. You just hold the open camera to it, and a link will pop up. You click on the link that pops up on your screen, and that'll take you to register for an assessment.
Yeah, so in celebration of the new clinic location, we're offering free 15-minute consultations. So you get to sit down with a medical provider, kind of talk through what your issues are and if we can be of service to you. We even have availability to move right into a new patient visit that day on a limited availability. We can't do that for everyone, but if it seems like it would fit, a lot of times we can just slide you right into a new patient visit.
Pretty cool.
What I love about you growing out of your space in Oconomowoc is that you've got a new clinic that's designed really to meet those standards from the ground up.
Right, yeah, so we were in a small building in Oconomowoc, and now we have services for allergy that will be there shortly. We'll be able to kind of do all the things that we do at some of our bigger locations right there. It's, as you can see, a beautiful location. And it's right next to a Starbucks, so we get to have some.
That helps.
We get to have some fun signage because the Starbucks drive-through whips right around. So we have some fun little words on the door to talk about how tired you are in the morning when you get your coffee.
You needed your coffee because you didn't sleep well. Maybe you have sleep apnea.
Right, there might be something else. So yeah.
Good points. I love it. So what's going to be happening during the Sinus and Sleep Day? Because this is a whole event based on trying to get people help and understanding of breathing better.
Sure. So ribbon cutting is going to be at 9 o'clock for our official opening. We've been seeing patients there for a couple of weeks now. But and then we'll have 15-minute consultations throughout the day, as well as some new patient availability as well. So really just a place to kind of start your journey to get you to breathe well and sleep well.
Yeah, it's what everybody wants, right? It's
Absolutely.
what we all need. I'm wondering if people are at home thinking, oh, I wonder if this would be a great thing for me to visit. How do I know if I would be a good candidate for an assessment like this?
So, that's really if you have questions, come in.
You're a good candidate if you got questions.
If you're not sleeping well, at least, we want you to breathe well, we want you to sleep well. That all starts with that. If you have nasal congestion or problems breathing through the nose, sinus pain or pressure, problems with snoring, which a lot of people do, or just sleep that's not making you feel well in the morning. Those are all good places to start.
This is something you use to teach people about just breathing in general. It's the breathing triangle.
Yeah, so the breathing triangle is really kind of the way Dr. Kandula thinks about someone's nose or some of their airways. So, you've got 3 holes to breathe through your face, 2 nostrils and a mouth. And
why are they so close?
And if they're not working well, you're not going to be able to sleep well or function throughout your life. So, really our job is to get all 3 of those holes in your face working well. So
I imagine so many people come in and just say, I wish I'd done this sooner. They wait so long. Even people I know in my own life who've waited so long to get help and then are like, why did I wait? But what happens after the assessment? So people know if they take that step to come in, see the new location, maybe get the free consultation and talk to you, what happens then after that?
So we always start with a new patient appointment, whether it's going to be, on Wednesday or whether it's going to be at a different time, where we'll kind of look at your nose, we'll do a full assessment of the throat and kind of start with diagnostics. Really it's, the thing that opens it up is, looking with a CT scanner, looking with a sleep study, kind of see what's going on and what services we can help to get you breathing and sleeping well.
That's
nice.
Fantastic. Now, in terms of the assessment and this event that's specifically related to the Oconomowoc location, because many people know that Advent has other locations, but this is specific to Oconomowoc.
Specific for Oconomowoc, so it's only going to be at our Oconomowoc location, and that's really just in celebration of really having the right space to see patients.
If somebody wants to make a different location their home base, can they still come for the free assessment?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yep. So if they want to come in and get the free consultation and then go elsewhere, that's fine. We have 13 locations now, so a little bit different. We had 2, and that was 7 years ago.
You've grown a lot. Look how far you've come, baby.
Yeah.
And what do people say after they're able to breathe better, especially people who can sleep again and they're not having snoring issues?
I like to say it's always low-hanging fruit. Like I do, like the stuff we do in clinic, like just makes people's lives better. It's not, it's life-changing. Truly being able to sleep well and wake up rested and have energy to live your life. Like it really is pretty markedly different for them.
Yeah, life-changing for sure.
Yeah, you guys do a lot there, and I know you're the first line that people really work with as the nurse practitioner, and you guys do so much because we've been in there before. So it was great to have you here, Matt. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely. If you are available, take advantage of the Sinus and Sleep Care Day at Advent's newest location. It's in Paps Farms in Oconomowoc. They're giving complimentary consultations, as we mentioned, on Wednesday, September 21st. You can scan that QR code on your screen or go to adventmorningblend.com to take advantage of the event. And if you can't make the Sleep and Sinus Care Day, schedule a new patient appointment at one of Advent's 12 other locations, including Wauwatosa, Mequon, Oconomowoc, Oak Creek, and Pleasant Prairie. They also have offices in Appleton, Illinois, Indiana, and Minnesota. Most insurances are accepted, and there is no referral required.
They're everywhere.
Everywhere.
Right?
Easy to do.